A simple yet effective strategy is to congratulate your subscribers and clients on International Women's Day. Write a sincere wish and show that you care about women. Your congratulations can support and inspire every woman and remind her how strong and unique she is. As you design your email, think about how you can celebrate women's achievements in it and figure out how to display it. You can find successful women who have reached heights in your industry and inform your clients about this in honor of the holiday. Another elegant way to celebrate is to tag the women associated with your company, such as founders and employees, in your email. You can tell some inspiring stories about female colleagues or share their successes. And remember to write how proud you are of them and appreciate the contribution of each to the common cause. Offer good discounts and add something out of the ordinary related to the holiday. A special promo code, a gift coupon, or something else. You can choose a group of products or arrange a sale for the entire range. On International Women's Day, you can simultaneously increase sales and participate in a social project related to helping women worldwide. Invite your customers to make purchases, some of which will be donated. This way, they will help to positively impact society and find out that your company is involved in such projects. A story is a great way to communicate ideas and values to each other and your readers. This works for both personal emails and brands. You can use storytelling as your customers' stories about using the product or growing up with your company. Or it could be a success story of female founders. This is a holiday, and it is often customary to have fun on holidays. If you are up for that, don't be shy and demonstrate how fun you can be. This is also where it is good to use originality and imagination. It can be a bright email color palette, a custom font, or fun images or captions. Make your email festive and wow recipients.